Have a blessed day to my future employer. My name is Mary Joy Lorenzana. I am 32 years old. I am single. I am high school graduate. My hobbies are I love taking care of children, taking care of bedridden. I love cooking. I can cook Chinese food, Arabic food, Asian food, and also I do driving and gardening. I work as domestic helper in Kuwait for 2 years. I serve one couple with 1-year-old baby girl. My duties are cooking, cleaning, washing, ironing, and top of the most, securing the health and safety of the baby, providing proper well and guidance for the proper development of the baby. And also, I work as domestic helper in Hong Kong for 5 years. I serve one couple with 2-year-old boy and 11-year-old boy with 80-year-old grandmother. My priority is to taking care of 80-year-old grandmother, giving the right medicine, changing diaper, taking a bath, and also tutoring the children. I am the one cooking, marketing, cleaning, ironing, and washing the clothes. To my future employer, please choose me as your domestic helper. I promise I will finish my contract and also I am humble, responsible person. Thank you and have a nice day. Thank you.